resolve the following to partial fractions. Okay, the first one, if you look at the first one, is the denominator is of higher degree compared to the numerator. Okay, I mean the numerator is the power of the numerator is lower to denominator. Okay, so there won't be division there. Two, the here we have a combination of the linear factors here. Okay, and here we have what, a quadratic expression here. Okay, which you cannot factorize. How did I know? These three, the factors of 3 is 3 and 1. Okay, how do you use 3 and 1 to get plus 2? That's not possible. I think maybe this one is minus 3 now, then it can be factorized. Okay, so we'll go straight to the work and resolve it into partial fraction s squared plus 2x plus 3 into brackets 2x plus 1. So this will be equal to, this one will be, it's a quadratic, that will be ax plus b over the quadratic expression s squared plus 2x plus 3. Then plus the linear one, c, since your constant stop at b here, then the next constant will be anything, any letter you like, plus c all over 2x plus 1. Okay? So if you are having a quadratic factor that you cannot factorize, this is the form of the numerator you are going to write. Okay? Then you can multiply through by the s squared plus 2x plus 3 times what? Times x 2x plus 1. Multiply through this place, we have x plus 2 equal to, this place will be what? X plus b into bracket what? 2x plus 1, then plus c into bracket what? S squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay? This and this, this and this. Then what can we do now? We have, I think we should be able to get the, let's get one of the variables. We can make x here to be, let's x be equal to minus half here. Because if you put minus half here, you're going to have minus 1 plus 1. So this one will times 2. Then you can get your c. Okay, minus half. So that would be minus half all squared plus 2 equal to, come here, c into bracket 1 over 4 minus, this one will be minus 1 plus that's 9 over 4, 9 over 4c. Now we've got 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2, 4 plus 2. That's 9 over 4. 9 over 4 equal to 9 over 4 c. So this one cancels. So c is 1. C is 1. So that is done. Can we also equate the coefficient of s squared? Equate coefficient of s squared. Okay. Attachment of s squared here is 1. Let's check the one here. This one times this one. That'll be 2ax squared. That'll be 2a. Then we can have x squared here. That plus c. Okay. So with that now, that will be 2a plus 1, 1. So that will be equal to a 0 from that place. It's 0. What again can we do? Can we get the cosine times? Can we equate the cosine times? If you do that here, this will be plus b, b there, plus b, and then this one times this one, that's plus 3c equal to what? Equal to 2. Okay, that will be b plus 2 times 1 equal to 2. B is equal to what? Minus 1. So I think we've gotten all the variables. We've gotten a, we've gotten c, and we've gotten b. So the expression will now become, for number 1, that will be equal to, the expression will become s squared plus 2, s squared plus 2 all over s squared plus 2x plus 3 equal to A is 0, so that one is gone. Then we have B. B is what? Minus 1. So that's minus 1 into brackets x squared plus 2x plus 3. Then C is what? C is 1. So we have plus 1 over what? Over 2x plus 1. So that's the answer. So, and if you want to reverse the case, you can just write like this: 1 over 2x plus 1, then minus 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 3. It's also correct too. So that's the first one. Question 2. Question 2 here. So this will be equal to the power of the numerator is higher than that of the denominator. The denominator power is power 3, numerator is power 4. So in that case, now we'll carry out polynomial division, which is what? 2x4 and minus 2x3 plus 4x squared minus 2x. And then this one, we can expand this one, which will be equal to x minus 1 into bracket s squared plus 1. So this will be this one times this one, s cubed. This one times this one, plus x. This one times this one, minus x squared minus 1. So we have the divisor, we have s cubed minus plus x minus s squared minus x squared, then plus x minus 1. S cubed minus x squared plus x minus 1. So how do we get, what can we use to multiply this expression? So that the first item here will be 2x4. Okay, that will be 2x. Okay, so this one times this one, that's 2 what? 2x4. This one times this one, that will be what? Minus what? Minus 2x cubed. This one times this one, that's what? Plus 2x squared, and then minus 2x. Can you subtract? This is 0, this is 0. This one minus this, that's a plus 2x squared, then minus what? 0. So we can continue because what's left here is the power is of lower power to the divisor. Okay, so our fraction will now become 2x4 minus 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x all over x minus 1 into bracket s squared plus 1. And that's equal to the quotient, which is 2x, then plus the remainder here, 2x squared over the divisor, which is this, and it's same thing as this, x minus 1 into bracket what? S squared plus 1. So this is what we have. So in this case now, what can we do? This now we're going to resolve the partial fraction. So we take that one, 2x squared over x minus 1 into bracket what? S squared plus 1. And this will be equal to, this is a linear factor, that will be a over s minus 1. This one is a quadratic expression, which you cannot factorize. So that will be x plus c all over s squared plus 1. So with that now, we now have, use this one to multiply through the equation. So you have 2s squared equal to a into bracket what? S squared plus 1 plus x minus 1 into bracket what? Bx plus c. So what do we do now? Let's make let x be equal to 1 here. So 1 minus 1, that's 0. So all this one will go. Then we have 2 equal to a into bracket 1 plus 1, that's 2. So a is 1. Okay. Then the next thing to do now, we can start equating coefficients. We can equate coefficient of s squared coefficients. On the left hand side, the attachment of s squared is 2. On the right hand side, it's going to be this one times this one, that's a, and then this one times this one, that's bs squared. So that's a plus b. Okay, and we've gotten a as 1, 2 plus b. So b is what? B is also 1. Okay, then the next thing to do now is to Look for another variable that contain, we've gotten A, we've gotten B. So where can we get C now? That's a cos times tens. So equate cos times tens. So which will be equal to what? A times 1, that's A, the cos times tens. Equate what? Cos times tens. Okay, so that's A. That's A. Then this one times this one, that will give me bx squared. This one times this one, that's a cx. This one times this one minus bx. This one times this one minus c. So I just have minus c. So a minus c equal to 0. I don't have a constant here, so it's 0. So then substitute. Your a is 1 minus c equal to 0. So 1 equal to what? C. So that's that. So my fraction will now become 2x 4 minus 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x all over x minus 1 into bracket s squared plus 1. Okay, so this one will now become, don't forget what we have here. Note this is the fraction, this is it, equal to 2x. Don't forget that 2x. Put your 2x there. Then plus this fraction has its own partial fraction, which is here, and a is what? A is 1, so plus 1 over x minus 1, then plus b is 1, and c also is also 1, s squared plus 1. So that's that on that question.